Hello everybody, this is Seismic Sales. Welcome brothers and sisters of the coin. We have an unboxing review and a review of not one, but two orders from Pinehurst Coin. Stay tuned. Okay you guys, it's been a minute since I did a video, so let's get into this. I've been busy with selling my items on whatnot, but today we're going to open up a box from Pinehurst Coins and another one over there. So I already pre-opened it, so what did I buy? I totally forgot again. Okay, we got Pinehurst Coins. I grab one of these every payday or every week, depending on if the spot is up. I believe spot was down last week, so I grabbed a tube of Eagles. And let me check your packages. Check your packages. And I grabbed, this was a 2023 Eagles. And this is a new, I believe it is a 2024. Oh my goodness, look at that. 2024 Silver Eagle, American Silver Eagle. Look at that. Woohoo. Let's see where the, I don't know where the anti-theft, or there it is. The anti-counterfeiting technology is at 7 o'clock this year. Last year, it was around here. There you go. They put a little nick in there and it stops it from being counterfeited. Looks nice. 2024 American Silver Eagle. It did cost me more than a 2023 because I pre-ordered it when the spot was up. You got to buy when the market's up. You got to buy when the market's down. Dollar cost averaging. Let's put this guy over here. You guys know who legs that belongs to? Put it in the chat if you know before we do the reveal. Pinehurst Coin reached out to me and said, hey, we liked your video. You want to review one of our new coins? I said, sure, why not? So they sent this over. Oops. It comes with, check your packages, a really cool sticker. Buffalo! Do you guys play Buffalo slots? I do. Pinehurst Coins eBay live show. I bought from their eBay live and I buy from their website. Alexander the Great sticker. And Eric Bloodaxe sticker. They gave me a Pinehurst Coin sticker. Hey, they did not give me the Brad Pitt sticker. How you gonna forget that? If you guys saw my video, the Achilles video, check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. But they didn't give me a sticker. Oh, here it is. This is how it receives. My Genghis Khan. This is the 5th round in their Legendary Warrior series. Genghis Khan is the new member of their series. It's a 1 ounce 999 silver round. How's it? Let me zoom in. Holy smokes. There's a lot of detail in this one. All right. Coming from the top, we got Genghis Khan. He's got a phoenix. Looks like a phoenix. Look at him. He's like, I'm the freaking man after what I went through to win all this territory. Genghis Khan. He's sitting on his horse. His horse is jacked on steroids. Look at you guys in the back. There's fighting in the back. There's a village in the back that he probably just took over. Horse is standing on the ground. In the background is another village. Look at his outfit. He's got his headdress. Got his armor on. Nice. Let's flip it over to the other side. Wait, what is that? I could have sworn that was tarnish, but nope, it's not. Okay, other side. There it is. Legendary Warriors. Has all his weapons. 1 ounce 999 fine silver. His father was murdered by the new king, so he ended up taking revenge. He married this girl who his father hooked him up with before he died. He married this girl. Her daddy had a big army, so him and that army went to reclaim the throne. Yoo-hoo! After he reclaimed his territory and revenged his father, he went to claim more territories. Apparently, his territory was wider than Alexander the Great's territory. Good thing about Genghis Khan is not only did he conquer territories and conquer countries and conquer cities and conquer villages. After he conquered them, he had a, you know, nice neighbor policy where he opened up trade and he let them talk to each other and got them all together and promote capitalism, I guess. But apparently he was part of that. All right, brothers and sisters, what do you think of Genghis Khan? This is the 5th round in the Legendary Warrior series from Pinehurst. I really like it. I'm not going to be, I am a little biased. You can't beat the Brad Pitt coin, which is the Achilles coin. But I like the detail. I like how it shines. I like the art. He was a leader. Sure, he killed a lot of people. But who doesn't? Pinehurst coin did give me a coupon for you guys. Right now they have a sale going on. It's a lot of 5 Legendary Warrior sets. You're going to get Blood Axe. You're going to get Julius Caesar. This Genghis Khan round. The Alexander the Great. And the Achilles round. Or what I call the Brad Pitt. Right now, it's on their website. A lot of 5 for $130.56. With my coupon, type in Seismic5. You get $5 off that purchase. I'll put the link below. This is my review of the Genghis Khan coin. I really like it. I'm not mad at it, but still, it ain't no Brad Pitt coin. I'm sorry, it ain't no Achilles. Thanks for watching my unboxing video of the Eagles 2023 to 2024 single. Thanks for watching my review of the Genghis Khan round. Rawr. And you want to know who that guy is? It is General Daimos with the ejecting, thrusting fist. You press this button, and he shoots out. He'll take a tooth out. This is Seismic Sales. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the link to get your 5% $5 coupon for the new Genghis Khan round from Pinehurst. This is Seismic Sales. I'm out like gout.